My name is Greg Riquet. I'm the Commercial Director for Intierra. Today the presentation is going to be looking at gold production for the past 2 years and also showing over the next few years the gold mines that are going to be coming online, which will attempt to, supply the increasing demand for gold in response to a number of issues that are affecting global currencies. And gold obviously being money itself, we'll see, I think, an increasing rise in the cost for gold and the purchase price for gold over the next few years. And Intierra, the company that I represent, is the global resource intelligence tool. And we will show you today where the future gold production is coming from and highlight potential investing opportunities for you clients.
I think he was Greg Kay. He works for Intierra, and he sort of gave an overview on the mining industry, on gold and silver miners. And I thought it was just interesting to see it because I invest in small miners, so it was just interesting to see sort of how the industry is as a whole. And it sort of reaffirmed what I already knew, that a lot of activity in West Africa and a lot of activity in Peru and Colombia. There were a couple of things that surprised me, that Europe was only was still half the production of the Americas and of South America and Africa, which I thought was much higher than, even though it's lower, I thought it was higher than I expected. And then the new mines coming on, high levels again in West Africa, high levels again in South America. But I was surprised how much less production in Australasia. And it was just an interesting thing. But it's quite interesting as an investor to see where the big mines are.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Emma, and thank you, Objective Capital, for inviting me here today. By way of quick introduction, I'm the Commercial Director for Intierra Resource Intelligence. Our company's role is the ability to distill information that is released to the public markets in the mining sector into a format which is easily used by our clients, and the ability then to look at different commodities in different regions globally and provide a very easy and friendly service to our clients. By way of personal introduction, I hold a postgraduate degree in Communications Information Systems Management and an MBA, and I spent a considerable amount of time in my youth working in military intelligence. And I guess the link between military intelligence and resource intelligence is information.